When receiving the goods for the first time or when the control prompts that the magnetic compass is abnormal, please complete this calibration operation. (1) Push the mode joystick key 8 times continuously or enter the flight calibration page in the app. Click the geomagnetic calibration button. The LED indicator light at the tail of the drone will turn green, and enter the horizontal calibration mode. This video demonstration is to use the app to enter the calibration. 2. With the drone as the center, rotate the drone horizontally for calibration until the LED indicator turns blue and enter the vertical calibration mode. 3. The nose is vertical and then rotated around the drone. The LED indicator blue light turns off and then flashes. The calibration is successful.